You know that feeling that is deep in your heart that says, I was made for more than this? Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck and you're exhausted from the financial stress. And maybe you're working a job that drains you and you barely see your kids. Maybe you just know that you were made for more, that you have a heart to help, that you have gifts to share, and a deep desire to make an impact. But you also need something that actually works. Something that fits around your family, something that does not require you to sacrifice your kids' childhood or your sanity to build. And I get it. I have been there. But today I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can build an online business that gives you freedom, flexibility, and the ability to help people without the overwhelm. And if we haven't met yet, just want to say hi. I am Kari Olson, wife, mom of 3, and Jesus-loving entrepreneur. And a few years ago, I was facing foreclosure with 3 little kids and working 3 jobs. Well, today I am in charge of my business and I get to help other women do the same. And if you are ready to see what's possible, then let's dive in. Because here is what I've discovered. There are 2 main ways that Christian women are building successful online businesses that they love and are proud of right now. And the beautiful thing is, both work. They're both super flexible and both allow you to help people. Both can give you the financial freedom that you are craving. But just the difference is how you get there. The first way is to take what you know, your life experiences, your transformation, your story, and package it into a coaching program that helps other women achieve the same results. And the second way is to partner with a proven system that's already created, already selling, already working, and you just share it and keep 100% of the profits. I do both, and I help women with both. So what I'm going to break down is what each pathway looks like, and then I'm going to help you figure out which one makes the most sense for you right now. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about which one's better. It's about which one fits your life, your calling, and the season that you are in right now. So just to give you a little tiny context from my own journey, in July of 2015, a sheriff caught me in my pajamas to serve me foreclosure papers on my house. That night, my 5-year-old showed up with her little cheetah print suitcase, ready to save the family, and that was my line in the sand moment. I knew that I needed to create something fast, income that worked around my kids' schedule, that didn't require me to leave the house for a 4th job, and that gave me hope instead of constant stress. So I started trying things. I did network marketing, Etsy shops, drop shipping, my own coaching, 31 different business models over the next 12 years. Some worked a little, most didn't, but I kept going because I knew that there had to be a way. And I discovered this, that there are 2 of the best pathways that work for women like us, who have a heart to help, who need flexibility and want to build something without sacrificing their families. So I'm going to show you what they look like. Now, the first pathway is in building a coaching business around your unique story and transformation. And that's for you if you have walked through something. Health struggles, financial breakthrough, marriage restoration, career transition, overcoming trauma, that you want to help other women walk through the same thing. And that is when you take what you have learned to package it into a coaching program. Maybe you're doing one-on-one coaching or group or an online course, but it's your framework, your story, and your unique way of helping people. And this is perfect if you have a specific transformation that you've experienced that others ask you about, that you love teaching and pouring into people, and you want to build something that is uniquely yours. And you're okay if it takes a little bit longer to gain traction while you're building out your program and testimonials, but you want full control over what you teach and how to deliver it. So what you'll need for this is, number 1, clarity on who you're called to help and what transformation you provide. A framework that will show how you help get success for people. And is it a little bit more work up front? I mean, yes, but when you help someone transform their life with something that you created, there's truly nothing like that. And the best part, it does work around your schedule. You decide when you coach, you decide how many clients you take, you are in full control. And now the second pathway that I also really, really love is in partnering with a proven system that's already working. So this is for you if you have a heart to help people, but you don't want to spend months creating something from scratch. You want something that you can start this month and to see results quickly. And that's what I did when I partnered with a program with Master Resale Rights. I was still coaching full time. So here's how this one works. This is a done-for-you digital marketing program that teaches people how to build online businesses. You purchase it once, and there's different tiers between $100 and $1,400, but then you get to keep it and resell it for 100% profit. It's already created, the training videos are filmed, the live weekly coaching is completed by the team, and the tech support is handled by someone else. Hallelujah. You just share your story, what you love about it, and when someone buys it through your link, you get paid immediately. So my two most popular packages here are $900 and $1,400, but this is for those that need to make money fast. You don't want to create curriculum or deal with tech. You're great at connecting with people and sharing something you believe in, and you want a system that's already proven to work with thousands of testimonials. You also want something simple that works in 2 hours a day. So what you need for this one is an upfront investment. Again, I would recommend the $900 or the $1,400 package. The willingness to show up and share, and a way to differentiate yourself, but I help you with that one. Consistency, showing up daily to build relationships. And here's what shocked me. I made my investment back with 1 sale and 2 sales, and I was 100% profitable. In 67 days, I had made $100,000 while working 2 hours a day, all while being present with my family and coaching full time. That was the flexibility that I wanted and needed. So my friend, how do you know which pathway is right for you? Well, here are the questions that I would invite you to ask. Question number 1, what season of life are you in? Do you need something now and you can't wait 6 months? Well, then Master Resale Rights might be your answer. It's faster for sure, but if you have a little bit more breathing room and you want to build something long-term around your unique gifts, well, then coaching might be the right fit. And question number 2, what has God been stirring in your heart? Have you specifically walked through a transformation that you feel called to help others with? That's probably the coaching path. Or do you just know that you're made for more and you want to help people and you want something proven that works? Then I might recommend the Master Resale Rights. But question 3, what are your natural strengths? Do you love teaching, mentoring, and pouring into people with your unique wisdom? Well, that would be coaching. Or are you just great at connecting, storytelling, and sharing opportunities that have helped you? Well, then maybe it's the Master Resale Rights. And question 4, how quickly do you need results? Because creating your own program takes more time. I would say like 3 to 6 months to gain traction, but it's so fulfilling. Although partnering with a proven system, you can create income in 30 to 60 days. I even had 1 client up and running within 24 hours. And here's what I want you to hear. There is no wrong answer. Both pathways honor God. Both help people. Both create the freedom that you are looking for. And honestly, you could even do both. Some of my clients start with, Master Resale Rights to create cash flow fast and then use that income to build their own coaching program. I'm still doing both. And that's where I come in. Inside of my free SKOOL community called Mindset and Marketing with God, I help women with both pathways. If building your own coaching business resonates, I will walk you through the Prosperous Coach Blueprint with everything you need on finding your niche, creating your offer, building your brand, and enrolling clients. And if Master Resale Rights resonates, then partnering with a proven system, I help you with that too. In sharing your story, differentiating yourselves, marketing on social media, and creating income. So whatever pathway feels right, I've got you. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about which path you're going to choose. It's about finally stepping in to the more that God has for you. So here's what I want you to do is first just pray, ask God, and we can right now say, Lord, what pathway is right for me right now? And then I want to invite you into my free SKOOL community so you can learn more about both. Ask me questions and connect with over 500 other Christian women who are done with financial stress and are ready for more. So the link is in my description below. And don't forget to subscribe because I post 2 videos every single week that will help you build freedom, flexibility, and the ability to help people, all while honoring God and putting your family first. So drop a comment and tell me which pathway are you leaning toward because I read every comment. Let's do this together and I'll see you in the next video.